Hello, my name is Anik Aiman bin Muhammad Shairul, and this is my friend.
I am Muhammad Shazwan bin Sutirman, and we both from the Department of Electrical at Kota Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu. And today we are about to present about how to use oscilloscope and function generator. Introduction to oscilloscope. An oscilloscope, informally scope or scope, is a type of electronic test instrument that graphically display varying voltage of one or more signal as a function of time. The main purpose is capturing information on electrical signal or for debugging, analysis, or characterization. The display waveform can then be analyzed for properties such as amplitude, frequency, rise time, time interval, distortion, and other ways and other. Originally, calculation of this value require manually measuring the waveform against the scale built into the screen of instrument. Modern digital instrument may calculate and display these properties directly. This is the front panel of oscilloscope. There is display control. There also vertical control, triggering control, and horizontal control.
Introduction for function generator. A function generator is a piece of electronic test equipment used to generate different types of electrical waveforms over a wide range of frequencies. These waveforms can be either repetitive or signal shot or single shot, in which case some kind of triggering surge is required, internal or external. Usually, a function generator produces waveforms that is produced by the repetitive charging and discharging of the capacitor to which a co- constant energy source is connected. Function generators are used in development, testing, and repair electronic equipment, e.g., as a signal source to test am- amplifier or to introduce an error signal into a control loop. Some of the most common waveforms produced by the function generator are the sine, square, triangular, and sawtooth waveforms. This is a front panel for function generator. They are frequency adjuster, function selector, amplitude adjuster, and output connector. Precaution for handling oscilloscope while measuring. Number one, always study the instruction manual of any oscilloscope with which you are not familiar, even if you have had considerable experience with oscilloscopes. Number two, it is a good practice to go through the procedure each time the oscilloscope is used. This is especially true when the oscilloscope is used by other person. The operator cannot be certain that position, focus, and especially intensity control are at safe position, and the oscilloscope CRT could be damaged by switching on immediately. Number three, as for any cathode ray tube device such as a TV receiver, the CRTV spot should be keep moving on the screen. If the spot must remain in one position, keep the intensity control as low as possible. Number four, if possible, avoid using the oscilloscope in direct sunlight or in a brightly lighting room. This will permit a low intensity setting. If the oscilloscope must be used in bright light, use the viewing hood. Number five, make all measurements in the certain area of the screen even if the CRT is flat. There is a chance of reading errors caused by this distortion at the edges. Number six, use only shields props. Never allow your finger to slip down the metal prop tip when the prop is in contact with a hot circuit.
These are the way to use oscilloscope. The first step is to set the oscilloscope to display channel 1. Then set the vertical or vote set the vertical vote or division scale and position control to mid-range position. After that, turn off the variable vote division and then turn off all magnification setting. Then set the channel input coupling to DC. I'm sorry. Set the channel 1 input coupling to DC. After that, set the trigger mode to auto and then set the trigger source to channel 1. After that, turn trigger hold off to minimum or off. Set the horizontal time division and position control to mid-range position. Adjust channel 1 vote division such that the signal occupies as much of the 10 vertical division as possible without clipping or signal distortion.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching our video. Bye.